Hey new family, we're back again with another DIY, and this one is going to be a Kirkland's dupe. We have a lamp here that we're going to attempt to duplicate along with a cookie jar from Kirkland's under $10. Yes, today's challenge is going to be $10 from the dollar store challenge. Now this is going to be hosted by Domestic Diva. I want you guys to check out the playlist that she's hosting. Definitely there's going to be a lot of great creators. So we're going to go ahead and hop right in. Our first DIY is going to be a tie-dye set. I found an apron at our local Goodwill and it was only 99 cents. So I grabbed 3 of them and here we go getting into the DIY. In the kit, you'll receive 2 gloves, 5 rubber bands, and 1 applicator. Here's our first fold. Each person is going to do a different type. There's going to be 3 separate colors. We have green, then there's going to be purple, and there's also going to be pink, of course. You guys to comment down below which one you like best. At the end we'll be able to see how each one turns out. And here we're just going to add water. All you have to do is add water. We just added it up towards the top but not to overflow. And if you're wondering, yes, the kids are getting in on the fun on this one. I thought it would be a great way to get them involved in yet another video. So here we're just going to wrap it up in the baggie that it was lying on while we were applying the coloring, and then we're going to put it inside another bag so that it's safe and leave it for 8 hours. Now on this look, we're just folding over and then we wrap it and then rubber band, wrap, rubber band, wrap, and rubber band.
On my timeline.
Oh, she's getting fancy with it. She's doing a technique that she saw on TikTok. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I wanted to mention that I only spent $3 for the challenge on this because the aprons are not included and we only purchased 3 kits. So that's $3 so far, guys. We still have $7 to go. And here's a lamp from Kirkland's that I absolutely loved, and I knew it would be perfect for my next project. So here we go. I grabbed a lamp from Goodwill and I started to paint away. Yes, we're using that famous paint that I like so much. I use it in a few other DIYs, so you guys should go definitely check out those DIYs as well. And here we're actually cleaning off a plunger because the sticker would not come off as easy as I thought it should. But we're gonna go ahead and paint it black and get it ready, and you're gonna see how we go ahead and wrap this all together. Don't worry, it's not gonna look like a plunger once we're done. Now our total price for this particular look is going to be $5. We have the jar, we have the plunger, of course we're going to need a light, and then we also needed some batteries to turn our light on. And you'll see how it comes together at the very end. Here I needed to create a hole, so I used some shears that I had just lying there when I was walking through the door, and dang, it hit me. How about I use this to make my hole, because everything else I was thinking about was not actually working. And if you're gonna try this, please, whatever you do, be very, very careful. Let's stay safe, guys. Not so bad. Can you see how it's starting to come together? And please excuse my nails throughout the video. I didn't have time to do them because I wanted to get this content out to you guys. Here we are adding some glue to the bottom of our plunger stick. And this particular plunger was actually crooked, but I didn't want to go back out. I'm trying to stay in, so I just tried to make it work the best way I can. And here I am touching up the paint from where I got some dings when I was attempting to create our hole to hold our plunger. Have you guys been keeping a tally of our total so far? If you have, comment below to let me know that you are watching this from beginning to end. How much did we spend so far? All right, guys, now we're gonna take some hot glue and we're gonna put it around the head of the plunger, and we're gonna put on our lampshade upside down so that it can adhere to the top of the plunger, or actually the bottom in our case. So here I am re-gluing the stick to put it back inside. No, it did not come loose, and I must say the Gorilla Glue does hold very well. I had to kind of pry it apart, but I made a mistake of pre-gluing before I was ready to put on my lampshade, so I had to redo it. Now here's our Kirkland dupe. I know you guys have been waiting to see how this was actually created, and we're just gonna grab our $1 jar, a paintbrush that we already had on hand, and some paint that was already on hand.
Saw your picture on my timeline.
And we're also going to use some shish kebabs that we got from the dollar store. So for this look, yes, it's $2 for this look. Pretty amazing to create a dupe. Now I want you guys to hold me accountable. Tell me whether or not I stuck to the budget, because I'm really bad about sticking to my budget when I go to Dollar Tree. I don't know about you, but I never stick to my budget. So did I hit the target of $10 or did I not? Let me know in the comments below. And here we're taking some pre-cut vinyl and we're just taking it and putting it on the outside of our cookie jar so that we can have it look just like our dupe. And here's the final look. I also would love to know what you think about the dupes. Did I nail them or was it a fail? Leave me a comment below as well. Which one was your favorite? And this displayed here, yeah, the twine, that's another DIY. I want you guys to watch my next video. It's coming up soon and I'm gonna have a great surprise for you guys coming up very, very soon.